Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Enable SQL Server authentication and the TCP/IP protocol in SQL Server Configuration Manager. Once done, create or assign a static public IP or set up dynamic DNS so your server is reachable. Then choose a port, default 1433, and configure the Windows firewall to allow inbound TCP traffic on that port. Make sure SQL Server service is running and set to automatic, so connections are accepted after. Next, you edit the SQL Server network configuration to ensure it listens on your chosen TCP port, and then restart the database service to apply changes. Make corresponding NAT or port forwarding rules on your edge router to forward the external port to the server's LAN IP. Meanwhile, create dedicated SQL logins with minimum required permissions, enforce strong passwords, and consider using encrypted connections via TLS to protect credentials and data in transit. Finally, you validate connectivity from an external host using SQL CMD or a remote management tool with the server's public address and port. If it connects, run a simple query to confirm permissions. Make sure to secure production access by enabling TLS, restricting allowed source IPs, or placing SQL Server behind a VPN. If connections fail, check firewall and router logs, run a remote port scan, and inspect SQL Server error logs for login failures to pinpoint the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.